Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I am sharing with you my CraftyBonbons box. This is the September one and it is, I believe, steampunk themed. So as you can see, there's a beautiful butterfly here. It's very steampunky. Look at those cogs and stuff. That's so pretty. That is so pretty. Okay, so let's get into this. Oh, alrighty. Sorry for the noise. Okay, so as you know, this is a collaboration between Crafty Ali on Etsy and Bonbons Kawaii on Etsy, and that's why it's called CraftyBonbons. And that's the Facebook page info, as well as the info about the shops, Crafty Ali's shops and Debbie's shops. So feel free to screenshot it if you want to check their shops out, and also join the Facebook group. We have lots of sharings of how we use the contents of a box in there, and Ali does well, Ali and Debbie does random giveaways, random acts of kindness in that group. There's also a card about professional printing services for Ali. So that's the services that she provides in terms of printing. So do check her out. So we have a green pen, I believe, because the ink is green. And then we have a washi tape. I don't know whether you can see that. That's really cool, actually. It's got like little scribbles and writings and stuff. And then we have, oh, I like these wax seals, and I like this backing card. Oh, that can be a nice what you call it, journal card. But that's a steampunk themed wax seal, and they've included like a sticky dot for it. You get adhesive labels for letters, or like in envelopes, or you can use them as journal spots in your journal. You get, oh, that is pretty. You get a lovely steampunk themed, let me just open this, paperclip. How pretty is that? It's got like cogs and keys and whatnot. I love it. That's pretty. Oops. Oopsie. Okay. So that's that. And you get this. Oh, that is cute. The die-cut hot air balloon. And you get various die cuts as well in a little packet. Oops. Different frames. That's a frame. That's a key. Ooh. Ooh. That is cute. Another frame. Oh, I like that. Another frame. Keys, a sun, a square, and then like a dial or something. This is so, oh, sorry about the glare. I had a bit of a glare there. I can't help it. So let's put that down once in this packet. Then you get some journal cards. So you get 4. That is so, that's like a travel theme thing. Oh, that one's pretty with the cogs and stuff. those are pretty. Right, you get a decal, as you know, and oh my god, I love this. I've got three of these now. I'm so I'm so pleased with that. I love those. To get decal, so oh my god, oops. So you get my name, so I can use that in my journal at some point, and my initial. Then you've got your decal instructions there, and obviously, oh my god, I love this paper clip. I love it. It's so tiny and it's so pretty. Don't know what I'm doing. There we go. That is so cute. Oh, you get another die cut there. Oh, I love this. It's like a sciencey pipey. It's like pipes, isn't it? Where's that other decal? Die cut. There you go. Let's put them together. These ones are, I believe, stickers. It says self-adhesive again. And here they are. Oh, they are kind of like oops, like tags, and I like that. That one, you can put this in your collage, oh, in your journals. Like this, and these are all stickers, so they're all adhesive. Oh, I like that. Oh, that's that, like that. These are so pretty. And then you get this. Oh, I like this. This is like a pocket with a decal on the side, like a steampunky lady. I love that. And I always order an A5 notebook, and this time it is lined with cream paper-ish paper. Beautiful. Do you know what? I've always said that the paper quality in these notebooks are really beautiful. And then you get a bit of cogs, like bits and bobs, like cogs, keys. You almost essentially can create your own kind of like, what are these? Is it the book corners? Your own little charm again. What are these? These are cute. Oh, pretty. Right, I'm gonna put it in a bag before I lose, because there's like two that are really tiny. See, already nearly lost one. Let's just let's just put that in there. Okay, just put that. And then you get another, oh, looks like the same as the first one, but it isn't, I think. So these are tags again. Ah, they've got some sort of codes, and they're tickets. So that one's all yourself secret destination. Oh no, there's like tickets and stuff and tags. It's different from the other one. And then this one has got like a coat. That is so pretty. Leave the road, like take the trails. Yeah. Oh, I like that one. Oh, you get a black pen. Oh, I'm glad I've got one more of these, because I'm nearly finishing my other like fountain pen that I had. I can't remember what box it is, but I've had another one, and I'm running out of ink. so I'm glad. Thanks, Ali. Thanks, Poppy. And then you get die cuts. 2 packets of die cuts, I think. These are, let's see. So you got that dude, a guy, a woman inside. Oh, what's that? It's like a steampunk shellfish of some sort. Oh dear. Yeah. Don't know how it is, but it's like a pipey type thing. Like a plant thingy. There's a plant in there. Bag. Like a steampunky man. Hat. A little, you know, it's like a planter. Another shellfish. And then a steampunky butterfly. And another dude. Lovely. And then this one is another packet of die cut, but I think these are more like items rather than human beings. So like glasses, bottles, steampunk owl. Oh, he's so handsome. This one is like a, I don't know, pressure cooker of some sort. I don't know. Another hat. Oh, look how he's dapper, like a mouse. Looks cute. And I guess that's a light. I don't know what this is, but it looks like some sort of a balloon of some sort. Another steampunk owl. A tray. Oh no, not train, like a car. Another bottle. A clock or timepiece. Or is it? Or is it? No, it's like compass. And this one I think is a headgear or a hat of some sort. Hazmat, is it? Camera. Steampunk bird. Oh, amazing. There's another steampunk bird there. Oh, that's so amazing. And then you get some writing paper. You get 8 pages or paper, which then matches with this sticky labels. So they said you can put this in the envelope to put the address on, or you can use this as a journaling spot in your journal. And last but not the least, these are the paper. Oh, that's that one. It's like a heart, lacy heart there. That's 2. These are good quality cardstocks. Some are thicker than the others, but oh, if you can just feel it. Oh, I like that. It's like cogs and stuff. This one's quite thick as well. And this one's kind of like, yeah, it's a drawing. It's like a sketch. Love it. So that's it. That's it, guys. This is my September Crafty Bonbons box. It's steampunk. I love it. And I hope you like what I shared with you. And do check the Facebook group out and do check the shops. With the Facebook group, Ali and Debbie does do a sneak peek in the group before they release the boxes. Or before they go on sale, and then you can pre-order. So yeah, thanks for watching, guys. I hope you like what I've shared. As I said, I'm repeating myself, I'm so sorry. But before I go, I would like to welcome all my new subscribers. I'm really happy that you have joined me here in my channel, and I hope you stay kind of like stay put. I hope you enjoy whatever I share. I'll try to share as much as I can. And yeah, I will see you all in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye.